Okay, full disclosure, I received this product from FITCAMX. It is a dash cam, but it's an OEM style, which is incredible. I got one from the company for my Ioniq. They sent me another one for the Kona. Please do check out the link. I'll put in the description as to where you can get one. We'll go through a quick unboxing and I'll show you quickly how it gets installed. Fantastic product, worth checking out. So what you get inside the box is a bunch of things. So all the requirements are here, including the new cover plate and everything else. I'm not going to bother going through each and every part of this, but there's also a dash cam for the rear that's part of this particular model. So let's start installing. Next step is you remove the cover plate from there. That's easy. That's what you get in behind. One second. Okay, so then you put this extension part in there and click that in there, so all the parts are provided. Okay, you remove the little blue lens cover, and this is the replacement piece. You see how the camera is built in, and it looks like a piece of the OEM equipment. Okay, so one thing that is important, when you go to the FITCAMX website, you see a listing for many different types of actual cameras that are available for various different makes and models of cars. So please do check that out. They may have one that is purely an OEM fit that will replace the existing mounting and cover that you have. It is a very simple, literally a 3-minute installation to do it that way. In addition, there is a fantastic installation guide on the FITCAMX website where you can see, based on your particular vehicle, what that installation step-by-step process is. And as I mentioned in my video, it is really, really simple and can be done, the whole thing, within a few minutes. So amazing product from that perspective. If your vehicle perhaps is not listed in those that are available, they do make universal dash cameras of various sorts, including ones that replace your existing mirror, rear view mirror, and it mounts on that. In addition, there are some standalone units as well that FITCAMX produces. Brilliant products, incredible picture quality as well. Okay, let's have a look at this. So now that everything is installed, the car is currently on. There is a micro SD card that is included, which is amazing. That, by the way, also allows you to record and override over a certain period of time. So essentially there's lots of storage. However, if you want to access what you are seeing through the camera in the vehicle once it's installed, here's what you would need to do. The mobile app is specifically designed for the FITCAMX. The first thing you would do is launch the app, obviously, and then you want to connect to the actual device. So your device name will show up. You then really have to go under the general settings of your mobile and connect through the Wi-Fi that is created by the camera itself. Again, the engine needs to be running at this time because you do need to get power to what would have been the self-dimming rear view mirror, which, by the way, is not interrupted with the installation of this. Once you access the camera, what you'll see is the image. So the top left essentially shows you what your rear view is showing you, and of that, so that is the actual view that you can get. So something to keep in mind if you are ever involved in an accident of any kind. Hopefully you never are, but the dash cam will obviously capture all the data from the front as well as the rear. It will store it on the micro SD card. You can also access that data through your mobile app. And in addition to that, you can also remove the micro SD card and use that as proof that you were basically hit by a different vehicle or whatever the incident happens to be. It is a very, very useful device. from a personal standpoint, it came in very handy for me when my car sadly was involved in a front end collision. However, it was a situation that I could not control. The other car essentially ran through a red light and I ended up hitting it. Normally, without the dash cam type of footage, it would have been hard to prove because I ended up hitting that person. Nobody was injured, thankfully, but it is something to keep in mind. So overall, brilliant product, well worth checking out. Please do check the link in the description as well as to how you can access it. And if you wish to purchase, do use the code set up for Classic Car ChitChat, and that way you get an additional discount as well.